So it's me again. So I'm going to be making slime, of course. Again, this is mostly like a channel slime. So yeah. So the first thing I'll need is, of course, a bowl and a utensil. I'm using a paintbrush, glue, shaving cream, and an activator. So let's get to it. Sorry. Okay. So I'm just going to be using the whole thing. I'm trying to make this fast. I'm mad. So, I use the whole thing. Next, shaving foam. So, my charger. Here. Forgot to add that. I'm using neon pink. 2 drops. Pretty cotton candy. Okay, then your activator. Trying to do this fast. So, your activator. Breaking. Too much. Soon as it starts getting off the sides, you want to get it out. But you have to get it off the sides. Oh, my paper's broke. Oh well.